The lowest sodium mozzarella cheese at my store is 150 milligrams for every ounce. And it goes up to 380. Oh, that's a lot of sodium. Every couple of months I go through grocery store and look for new things I haven't seen before. My prize grocery store is the Kroger store. And they have a fresh mozzarella. It's got a green label, and it is 30 milligrams of sodium per ounce. Go to Kroger.com. There's a place for you to put your city and your state, and it'll tell you if there's a Kroger store in your area. Call them, see if they've got it. I was able to find a baker store in Omaha, Nebraska for my dear friend. Oh, and now she can go get mozzarella. Not every store, Fry's, a Kroger store, Walmart, or Target carry identical items. Walmart has a BELGIOSO fresh mozzarella that's 85 milligrams per ounce. Can also be ordered from Amazon. Target carries GALBANI fresh mozzarella at 100 milligrams per ounce. Can also be ordered from Amazon. Crave Brothers, ordered through Amazon, 40 milligrams per ounce. Rio Briata, Amazon, 55 milligrams per ounce. Antonio mozzarella, Webster Restaurant Store, order 50 milligrams for 1 ounce. Most of the time when you order cheese, there's a minimum order, but it comes packaged and ready for your freezer. There's so much that we can do with a nice mozzarella cheese. When we buy shredded cheese at our store, it has a coating on it to stop it from clumping. Ours is not going to have that. And it's a softer cheese. So when I shred it on a cookie sheet with the pieces separated so that they don't clump right back up together again. On my channel, if you click Judy's online courses, you can see all of my low sodium cooking courses. And they're packed with a lot of information and recipes for you. Leave me a comment, and I will comment back to you with a coupon that you can buy the whole course for $9.99. And there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose and a whole low-sodium life ahead of you to gain. Check them out. Subscribe to my channel for a new low-sodium recipe or a nice tip